Hello guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video. In the last video you give really a lot of support. It's a really thankful to you. Sorry for not uploading the video in the last week because I'm a little bit busy. But now I have a very interesting topic, and before that if I'm starting the video, so you please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube video. So guys, I have an MCQ related to the topic, which is chapter 2 economics. I have the most important MCQs and I have also ticked the answers. Uh, this is sectors of the Indian economy. There are Wait for a minute. I have total 20 question of the chapter. Before that, this first question is the sectors into public and private sectors into the basis of. Second question, production of commodity mostly through the natural processes and activity of which sector. थर्ड क्वेश्चन जीडीपी इज़ अ टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ द डैश एंड डैश. हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं डैश एंड प्रोड्यूस द ड्यूरिंग अ पर्टिकुलर ईयर मीन्स ऑल द फाइनल गुड्स इन अ पर्टिकुलर ईयर. दिस टाइम I think it could be come. Find odd one out. And sixth question is postman, cobbler, soldier, police, constable. Which one is the odd one out? Seventh, MTNL, Indian Railways, Air India, Sahara Airlines. Tenth, eighth question is in the term of GDP, the share of tertiary sector is. When we produce by exploiting natural resources, it is an activity of which sector? Primary sector. Most of the working people are employed in the service sector in the general pattern of the developing countries. During the period, 11th question, this question is very important because this question is also in book, but I think this question is very important. It can become 1 marks. During the period of 1973 and 2003, the production increased in the more in the primary sector. IT is an example. मतलब information technology is an example of the which sector? Tertiary sector. 13th question. Which of the following public sector enterprise? Which of the following public sector enterprise? Vito, Tisco, IRL, Indian Railways. Answer is Vito. 14th 14th question is not important most. This 5 questions is important because I have done the revision most of the times, but this 5 questions I have faced so many times. So you have to mark these 5 questions. Which out of these activities does not under the primary activities agriculture, fishing, teaching and poultry farming? You know that teaching is a process which come under the tertiary sector. Agriculture, fishing and the poultry farming are those which exploit the natural resources. Means these are the activity which under the primary sector. So correct answer is teaching, which does not under the primary sector. Indigo Airlines, Bajaj Motors and Ltd are the examples of the private sector. Public sector, airlines is not a public sector. I think this I have done wrong. The correct answer is private sector. Which of the following activities, 17th question, under tertiary sector? Forestry, banking, making sugar, daily farming. In this question I want to tell you, forestry is an example of the primary sector, banking is an example of tertiary sector, which I have correct tick. Making sugar example of industrial sector means the primary secondary sector. Example of the second sector is making sugar. Daily farming is example of primary sector, and this question we have talked about the tertiary sector. So we have to mark the banking. The contribution of which sector towards employment is highest present in India? IT sector, primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. Now the time you see that so many people are becoming the software engineer. So that was, it's both are the correct. Primary and IT sector you have correct, any one choose. In 2 questions are left. What do we get when we add the total output of all three sectors of any company? GDP, GNP, full form of GDP is gross domestic product. Which was the correct answer? Because in this chapter we have already about the GDP, not GNP. Gross net product की हमने बात नहीं की. National product we have not talked about. Total product we also not talked about. Only we have talked about the GDP. So its correct answer is GDP. Under which type of unemployment is not clearly visible that are people unemployed? In question we have discussed what type of people which are unemployed and in which sector which we have clearly visible the people are unemployed. Means who people are not study properly, who people are not educated. Means in this sector, disguised unemployment. I hope you guys you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. In this video, I have told all the MCQs, basic MCQs, most important MCQs which could become in the board exam. Sorry for not uploading the video in the last week because I am a little busy. But now I have promised next video will come soon in the Thursday or Saturday and Sunday. These 3 days which I can upload the video most of the times. I hope you like the video. Next time on that time. Bye.